Welcome to my channel. Today discussion about British Governor Generals in India and important events in their periods. Warren Hastings in his period 1773 to 1785 reforms, first Governor General of Bengal, ended dual administration, Regulating Act 1773, founded Supreme Court at Calcutta, first Anglo-Maratha War, founded Asiatic Society of Bengal. Lord Cornwallis in his period 1786 to 1793 reforms, established civil services, introduced permanent settlement of Bengal, 1793, new police system, Third Anglo-Mysore War, Treaty of Seringapatam. Sir John Shore in his period 1793 to 1798 reforms, Charter Act of 1793, policy of non-interference, Battle of Kharda. Lord Wellesley in his period 1798 to 1805 reforms, subsidiary alliance system, expansion of British power, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, Treaty of Basing, established Fort William College. Sir George Barlow in his period 1805 to 1807 reforms, Mutiny of Vellore, 1806. Lord Minto I in his period 1807 to 1813 reforms, Treaty of Amritsar with Ranjit Singh, 1809. Charter Act of 1813. Lord Hastings in his period 1813 to 1823 reforms, ended non-intervention, abolished Peshwarship, establishment of Rayatwari system, Madras and Bombay, Mahalwari system. Lord Amherst in his period 1823 to 1828 reforms, first Anglo-Burmese War, annexation of Assam, Barakpur Mutiny. Lord William Bentinck in his period 1828 to 1835 reforms, first full Governor-General of India, post-Charter Act 1833, abolished sati, suppressed thugee, English Education Act 1835. Lord Charles Metcalfe in his period 1835 to 1836 reforms, liberator of Indian press, removed restrictions on the press. Lord Auckland in his period 1836 to 1842 reforms, first Anglo-Afghan War, educational and commercial reforms. Lord Ellenborough in his period 1842 to 1844 reforms, annexation of Sindh. Lord Hardinge I in his period 1844 to 1848 reforms, first Anglo-Sikh War. Lord Dalhousie in his period 1848 to 1856 reforms, doctrine of lapse, first Railway, 1853, Post Office Act, 1854, Public Works Department, first Telegraph, Widow Remarriage Act, 1856, expanded civil services, abolished titles and pensions. Lord Canning in his period 1856 to 1862 reforms, revolt of 1857, first Viceroy and last Governor-General of East India Company, founded 3 universities, Calcutta, Madras, Bombay, 1857.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.